The cost of energy continues to rise. At the same time, outages are increasing. People all around the country are looking for ways to reduce their energy bill, have more reliable backup power, and be more environmentally friendly. That's why making sure your home is equipped with the latest energy management system is so important. And we could all use some tips and tricks on how to keep our energy bill down while keeping our sustainability up. Today we're in Richard's beautiful home where he's tackling big energy challenges. Richard, thank you so much for having us.
Oh, pleasure to have you here.
So tell me a little bit about, what are your current energy challenges? What brought you to this point?
I mean, I love living in California, but we have a lot of energy challenges here. I mean, we have high energy costs. We have the threat of wildfires. I really want to take control of my energy and know what I'm using and be more sustainable to, cut my carbon footprint down.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, luckily, we have a team of experts here from Schneider Electric to help you out today.
I am the launch leader for Schneider Home, managing the successful introduction of Schneider Home into the residential market, and is the first of its kind integrated home energy management system. It includes the Schneider Pulse Panel, the Schneider Inverter, the Schneider Boost Battery, and the Schneider X Series smart switches and outlets. It's the perfect solution for Richard's challenges.
All right, so Iris, I want you to meet Richard. Richard, meet Iris.
Hey Richard, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Iris.
So Iris, can you tell us a little bit about how Schneider Electric can help Richard?
Yeah, so Schneider Electric is all about empowering homeowners like you to manage your energy so that you can save on your energy bills, you can live sustainably, and you can experience reliable energy. And Schneider Electric is here to help you do that with the Schneider Home system.
Perfect, sounds great.
Iris, could you do us a favor and walk us through the products that you guys have installed for Richard today?
Yeah, of course. But first, I want to introduce you to Matt Trout. He's our local Qmerit installer who helped coordinate the installation of Schneider Home for you.
Sounds good.
Hey Matt, great to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Can you tell us a little bit about your role in this project today at Richard's place?
Yeah, so as a Qmerit installer, we provide seamless installation on home energy upgrades. Richard had a few issues that we needed to address, and we are happy to partner with Schneider Electric to bring Richard's vision to life.
Yeah, thanks for the install, Matt.
Are you ready to see your new energy solutions?
Absolutely. I'm ready to start saving energy.
All right, let's go.
Let's go see it.
All right, Richard. So we have here the heart of your Schneider Home energy management system called the Schneider Pulse Panel. And so unlike your regular breaker box, the Schneider Pulse Panel can help you reduce your energy consumption in 3 ways. So the first way is through real-time energy monitoring using your Schneider Energy Monitor, and this lets you know what loads, appliances, or devices are consuming energy and how much energy it's consuming, so that way you and your family can adjust your usage as needed, or maybe you're seeing some abnormal energy usage for a certain appliance. And so that could maybe mean that it's time to change to a more energy efficient appliance.
So Richard, that means no more hidden charges, no more mystery bills when it comes to electricity?
Exactly. So the second way that the Schneider Pulse Panel helps you reduce your consumption of energy is through load control using smart relays. So let's say you leave your house to go to the grocery store and you realize that you've left your stove on. Well, if you have smart relays installed, you can use the Schneider Home app, open the app, turn off your stove remotely from the grocery store, and now you no longer need to worry. And the third way that the Schneider Pulse Panel can help you reduce your energy consumption is through automated control of your circuits. So, Richard, you mentioned that you were interested in getting an EV this year. Well, you can tell your Schneider Home system when you want to charge your EV, especially at times when your energy rates are low.
I'll be fully charged before I leave in the morning and at the cheapest rate.
Exactly. All right, Richard, so what we have here is the Schneider inverter, and the inverter is responsible for transforming your solar energy into usable energy for your home. So the Schneider inverter is one of the most important pieces of equipment in your solar energy system, and it helps reduce your reliance on the grid as well as achieve energy savings.
What if my solar panels are generating more than I'm using?
Good question. So that's why we have the Schneider Boost battery. So if you are generating more solar energy than you can use, your Schneider Boost battery can store that excess energy so that you can use it when you need it, say during the nighttime or maybe during a power outage. So while your generator and your battery do provide backup power, the Schneider Boost battery can actually be charged from the grid when energy rates are low, or it can be charged from your solar power produced from your solar panels. So right there you can see how the Schneider Boost battery helps you with energy savings, and it also reduces your home's environmental impact. You can also pair the Schneider inverter and Boost battery with your Schneider Pulse panel to enable really cool automations that a generator just can't provide. So you can actually tell your Schneider Home system how you want to use your power when you are experiencing a power outage. So let's say you are in a power outage right now. Well, you can tell your battery what you want powered on, and then those non-critical, non-essential loads will stay powered off in order to preserve the life of your battery. So here we have the Schneider X series smart switches and outlets, and every switch and outlet comes with energy monitoring so that you can see how much energy is being consumed by the devices that are plugged into it. And you can also create schedules to turn the devices on and off at certain times. So let's say you want to schedule on and off times for your kids' gaming console. You can schedule it on when they finish their homework and you're at home, and schedule it off when it's time for bedtime.
How do I manage those on my phone?
Great question. Let's go take a look. The Schneider Home app. It connects the Schneider Pulse panel, the Schneider inverter, the Schneider Boost battery, and the Schneider X series switches and outlets all in one so that you have complete control, you have useful automations, and you have data visualization right on your phone.
So it's like a central command station in the palm of my hand.
Yep, and the Schneider Home app can do so much more. There's real-time energy monitoring, you can track your savings and your return on investment, and you can even receive alerts when you are getting unusually high energy usage outside of normal times. And really, it's not just about the data, it's about empowerment. We really want to empower you using the Schneider Home system to make choices about your energy usage and seeing the impact so that it motivates you to make even better choices with your energy.
Well, Richard, it sounds like your home is now an energy efficient, energy reliable machine.
Absolutely is. I am so excited, that this system's in. And I wanted to thank Iris and the Schneider Electric team.
And Iris, thank you so much for coming out today, showing us these incredible new products that you've installed for Richard.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for having me.